Okay, we are in Good Maze at the moment, and I am showing you something unusual in this Good Maze area. And what is this unusual? This is the clock. Can you see this clock? This is the clock that on Second World War, when the bombs was start dropping, the first one was dropping, this clock stopped, and this clock is like it's very old clock. And the guy owner of this shop, they've been told by the old owner, that this thing happened, and a lot of people gave this guy offer him money and everything. But this clock is still here, and this is a unique and amazing piece of art, it's still here, and it's on Good Maze. And this is the shop at the moment. You can see is in front of this restaurant.